Today we are going to see an application that I have built as a hobby. Right now it has been built and even published to the domain. So the app name is called Giftzwise. So basically the idea was more like a Indian wedding gift registry website where the bride and the bridegroom or the parents, whoever is creating an event through this website, they can create a wish list. uh, Basically, these are some of the gift that we would like. So if the guests are confused what to bring, and many people are bringing the same gifts, like the photo frames, most of the time, like in Indian weddings, you may see people bringing multiple photo frames, and also sometimes you will see the some gifts of God in a photo in the photo frame kind of a thing. So you can or some pressure cookers or something which basically you may not really need it. So the idea was basically to make it simple for the guests to choose from, and also where it helps both the people who may buy it to give to the bride or the bridegroom, and it also actually helps the bride and bridegroom um, then basically dumping those gifts where it's of no use later. So that's one core functionality that it was started with. Later, it was also enhanced to include whether the guests are coming to the event or not. So, which was basically to know if the guest is coming or not, or maybe, and if they're coming, how many people are coming. How many people are coming with them in their family. So the organizers know how many people they're expecting, um, so they can plan accordingly. So I'll just go through this website, like how to create an event, and how do we manage stuff inside. So the website has been already published, and this is the website, giftswise.com. Here I'm actually going to sign in. So this is how it looks, the dashboard once you log in. So here you can create an event. So this is the dashboard. This is how it looks, one in the dashboard. So once you log in, sorry. So this is the dashboard. This is how the dashboard looks. So here you have an option to create an event. So you click at create an event, and here it's asking for name of the event. So here on the top you can see it's event 0/1. So this particular account, they are assigned with one event that they can create, so that's the reason it's showing like that. So let's say I'm going to give Rahul and Veda wedding, and then in the event type, I'm selecting wedding. So even though the core functionality is going through the wedding as the option, there are also other events that can be supported in the same portal at the moment. So, and event date, I let's say it's on the 3 weeks later, just for simplicity. And then you can basically create a slug. So slug is nothing but this is the basically the URL extension along with this domain of the website that will be sent to the guests, so where they can basically update if they are visiting the marriage, visiting on the marriage day, and also to claim the wish list that has been prepared by bride or bridegroom or the organizers. And here you have an option to enter the cover image. So if you have a photo picture or some nice cover picture that of your marriage or pre-wedding shoots or an engagement, you can basically upload that cover image. So even if you don't have it, it's fine, because there is a default general template that has been put, which will, if you don't upload, so that default template will be there as the cover picture. And then in the description you can basically say the we welcome you to our wedding at let's say Bengaluru Taj Hotels. I don't know if there is a Taj Hotel in Bangalore, just to make it to make you understand how what happens when we create this. So I'm going to click on create event. So now, yeah, I can see the event that has been created. And if you see on the right side, you basically get to see events and active. So this is the basic plan. That's the reason you all see there are also other plans that will be available soon. Uh, where, let's say, if you have multiple people in your household expecting to be married in a period of like 1 year or 2 year, so in that case, maybe you as a big brother or big the sister, or maybe even the parent, so you may need to manage multiple marriage events in the course. So you may need a different plan than taking an individual plan. Or if you are an event manager, and if you want to basically, as an event manager, you may be hosting multiple marriages, you'll be assisting multiple marriages over a period of an year. So um, you will be there is a different enterprise plan itself, where they can uh, take that plan to manage the events. So once the event is created, um, the next thing is creating the wish list. So here you see there is something called manage gift. So if you click on the manage gifts, so here you get to see this page, and here you can say add your first gift. And there is two sections here, but the default section is the create gift, so which is active now. So we are also working on something called browse gift ideas, where we kind of um, make the gift list available to you already, where you can just choose them from. But for now, you need to basically provide all the details of gifts and the categories and description of the gift for the user, for the guests to understand. It's not for the for us. It's not, I mean, we it's more for the guests to understand what is this gift about. I mean, yeah. So yeah, so here we have the create gift, and we have the gift title. Let's say you need a mobile phone, and then category is electronics, and you can say Samsung, whatever brand that, I don't know what's the latest one, but let's say Samsung A55. And the price range, it's not visible to the guest, but it's more for your internal understanding. um, so let's say it's 50,000. uh, and then you need to get a link for the phone. Phone Samsung. Let's say we'll go to S25. Okay, it's even different amount. Let's say I'm going to take this. I'm going to change this to Samsung Galaxy S25, and on the product URL I'm going to give it here, and it's the price is also something like this. So again, it's all optional, especially the price is optional. The description is also optional. But the product URL and the categories and these three are needed. Even the URL is optional, because they may like to buy the, I mean, the guests may like the gifting idea, but they would like to buy it from their own um, preference of place. But just providing the URL makes it easy, or sometimes even if they're not very sure what is the right, I mean, I know the name, but what is the product look like, and what is the product that they need to verify before they go to a physical shop and buy somewhere. So the URL helps them. Okay, so this is the product, and I'm buying the right product from the physical store as well, if they want, if they are planning to go that route. And then you can click on add a gift. So before that, there is also another option: submit to the global gift inventory for other users. If you select, basically what's going to happen, the gift that you are going to submit is also going for a review with the admin. So once it's approved, it's going to be added to the global catalog. So that way, the gift that you have selected is also kind of can be reused by a different um different user who may be interested in the same stuff. So then you click on add gift. So now the gift is added. So we have added, successfully added one gift. So the same way you can add multiple gifts. Then once this is done, so let's go back to the same page. So here we have created an event, and we have added one gift here. So now you need a link or a QR code that needs to be shared to the users. So if you click on the same section, the manage gifts, and also there is a link which redirects to the same QR code page. So here you can basically download the QR code, and or you can also share to the WhatsApp group. So even for sharing to the WhatsApp group, so we have customized the how the invitation looks. It's just not going to look like, okay, we have gifts basically created wish list, so you please bring it to us. It's not going to be like that. It's more like a formal invitation along with okay, so we want to make it simple in case if you're uh, bringing the gifts, so you don't get confused. So of course there is another main thing. So it's not compulsory that the user needs to, the guest needs to bring the gifts from what the bride or bridegroom or the organizer has created in the website. So they can always surprise the bride or bridegroom. So if you read here, so you are invited to Rahul and Veda wedding. We are super excited to celebrate this special day with you. If you are planning to join us, a quick RSVP would mean the world. RSVP and view the wish list here. So basically, this is the URL that the guest will be clicking. So let me copy that. And not sure what to gift us. So the second part of this message is where we are speaking about the gift, not in the first part. So if we're not sure what to gift us, we made a simple wish list to avoid duplicates. So no more photo frames. It's in a funny tone. So pick what feels right, or just use it for ideas. So of course, if you want to surprise us, that's totally welcome to. The thought always counts. Then we are basically saying Rahul and Veda wedding host via Giftzwise. And uh, because I'm opening it in the web version, so this is looking like a single line and this question mark. So basically, it's properly formatted in WhatsApp mobile version. So if you kind of open it in the WhatsApp, so it's going to show all the proper spacing and all the emojis in place of these question marks. So it's just I'm reading text here, but this is kind of properly formatted when you basically send it from the WhatsApp mobile. And the next thing, the QR code. So you may be wondering, okay, what's this QR code and where we might use it. So there are two ways that you can use it, as far as I imagine. So one is you basically send this to the user phones, the guest phones. So they may scan it from a different phone and they can um, access the link. So that's one way. The second way is either you can use it in the physical wedding card, or maybe or the digital wedding card. So you have at the end of the section, you may be giving QR code where users can scan and do the quick RSVP and also claiming the gift from the wish list. So now we have completed the creation of the event and adding gifts and generating the links. Now we send it to the users, and users basically um, click on that link, and what they see is basically uh, yeah, it's going to look like this. So on the top you see it says normal cover photo, um, but like as I said, when you give your own wedding like engagement picture or pre-wedding shoot picture, the cover photos, so it's going to be replaced uh, by the by that. And then you have whatever we gave the description, we welcome you to our wedding at Bengaluru Taj Hotels. You can even mention the complete address, so if they want to know about it. And then you have here RSVP now. So basically when you click on this RSVP now, here it's asking. So here you have RSVP now. So when you click on RSVP now, so here you need to enter the full name. Let's say Ravi Joshi, and then here it asks for a mobile number. So I'm going to give some random mobile number. So then here email is optional. Then you can mention if there are, let's say, assuming most likely the invitations are sent only to the main the head of the person or one person in a specific family. So the person, whoever is entering it, so they may mention how many people are coming with them. So let's say if they can mention like, okay, three people are coming along with me, then you can say, yes, I will be there, sorry, I can't make it, maybe I'll let you know. Then you can say all the best, or you can enter a special message, whatever you want to enter, and then say you can send this RSVP, and then you can see, okay, thanks for letting us know, can't wait to celebrate with you and your two guests. So this is what the message the guests will receive from their end. And then you have a spot, something you would love to bring. Then once the RSVP is done, you the guest will also see the gift wish list at the bottom. So first, before they click on I will bring this gift or not, they may actually click on view item. So when they click on view item, it's going to redirect it to the URL that we mentioned to them, so they can actually look at the wish list gift, and it can be Amazon or a private link, different website or any other website, the e-commerce or any offline store, whatever you want to give there. And then let's say the guest has decided to bring this gift, so they can basically claim it. So the reason for claiming is because once you claim, it's going to show up even for other people who have access to the link that the gift has been claimed. So the other users actually can go to go through the other gifts which are in available state, but not bringing the same gift that has been claimed. So that's the main agenda of this one. So then I'll click on I'll bring this gift, and you can now enter the full name again. So the reason for entering a full name for both separately is because we are not making it compulsory for the person who is coming also bringing the gift. So that's the reason these two sections are different. And let's say I gave the phone number. Now I'm going to click on claim gift. Now you can see that the gift has been claimed. So this user, whoever has claimed it, so they can either bring it from the same link, or they can actually go buy it from somewhere else and provide the gift to the bride or the bridegroom on the special day. Now let's say I have changed my mind. I don't want to bring the same gift, and I basically want to maybe let's assuming that we have other gifts, or maybe even I want to surprise the bride or the bridegroom. So I first so basically I want to unclaim the gift which I have claimed before. So I didn't yet purchase, but I'll unclaim it so that the other person, whoever the other guest, if somebody is interested, may claim it, so it doesn't go like I claimed but I didn't bring kind of a situation. And now in the same page, when they come back, so there is an option want to change your mind, unclaim the gift. So the catch here is you need to so we have an option called unclaim the gift, want to change your mind. So the catch here is you need to um, enter the same exact same name and the phone number to unclaim. So if you don't enter the same details, then it's not possible to unclaim the gift. And since I gave the same details, now the gift has been unclaimed. So if somebody else is logging into this same link, one of the guests, so and if they are okay to bring this gift, they can claim it, which is a nice thing. Um, yeah, and in the future we are also right now it's a kind of a decent enough to verify the person who has claimed is also the same person who is unclaiming it, so that by ensuring that the same name and same mobile number is being present to unclaim the gift. But we will be further enhancing this prompt to even make it full future proof, like more like in enabling the one-time passwords for ensuring that it's actually 100% you that claimed and unclaimed. So this is the product that we have built, and we'll be making several other enhancements and um, to this profile. And for now, there is a kind of for the initial early users, the plan is lifetime for one event. So every email that you log in with gets assigned with one event per lifetime. Thank you, everyone. I hope you like the video. For more such videos, please subscribe, like, and share. We'll be making several other videos